What's up, folks? It's beach day!
Ano to?
Canyon Cove yan. So we're now here. She's done with her sa bahay namin ngayon. Bahay namin. So naka-prepare na kami ngayon actually. Most of us, okay na yung gamit. Hintay na lang talaga kami na mauwi si mama para ma-finalize na namin yung mga dadalhin naming food, mga gamit nila okay na, and then tatawagan na namin yung driver para makaalis na kami. And don't worry, it's just Aya. Meron din kami mga dinala or ni-rent na camera. I rented this G7X camera from IG. This is from Capture & Co. Manila. That is an Instax Mini 12. Pero di ko na yan madadala kasi wala kaming bala. DJI Action 5 Pro. And I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3 for this vlog kasi I wanna upload in YouTube. We're on our way na to the resort. We were awake since yesterday until kaninang 6 a.m. probably, and then nagising ulit kami mga bandang 8:30. So we're gonna sleep all throughout the entire drive. So good night for now. We're here na! We did have an issue sa entrance natin. Wala kaming printed authorization letter. Pero, gawa naman ng paraan, nakausap naman yung caretaker. Napayagan kami na pumasok na. Lumagpas dun sa card. So, this is the living room. So, we have 2 beds. We have another room here. Another queen, I think, or king, and then the bunk bed. We have the bathroom. Not super hotel-like na itsura. It's not so bad. We have here Canyon Cove yan. It's the pool area. That's for this apartment building. And then, yung beach na yan. That's accessible to everyone. Okay guys, we are now here inside our booked apartment, condo room, and it's already like almost 4 p.m. So, kailangan na namin mag-ayos para maka-aura na kami sa labas. Kasi until 6 p.m. lang pwede mag-swimming both in the pool and the beach. So, kailangan na namin magsulit kasi bukas until 12 p.m. lang kami dito. So, get ready with me very quickly lang. Buy one, take one. Mari, say hi to my vlog. Hi, vlog. What the fuck?
Yeah. Change na.
I look like a witch. We're gonna go to the pool na.
Ganyan pala yung tsura. Ibig sabihin dito na sa...
Labanap ka?
Ba't sa likod? Chikininin eh. Oh my God.
We're here na sa beach. Naiwan pa yung dalawa kasi nagpipicture pa sila. Susulitin na nila yung sunset. At hanggang 6 p.m. lang. Pero look what we saw. Cutie.
Naka-record yan.
Nasaan na isa?
Ito lang yung maganda, yung may kasama pa. Kain tayo. Uy! Ano yan? Eating time! Ouch! Tanggal na yung ano.
Time check. I don't even know what time it is. Kakain na kami ng dinner. Nagluto kami ng spaghetti, tsaka liempo barbecue and chicken barbecue. Now, I'm just here in the balcony kasi papahangin lang kami. Tinundan ko talaga dito si Rod kasi sabi ng mga kapatid ko, ate si Kuya Rod nandun sa balcony mag-isa, nagsisenti. So, pinuntahan ko siya. Yun pala, nagpapahangin lang siya. Ayun na siya. Siya lang kinuhaan niya ng drinks. Sabi ko, bakit ikaw lang yung kinuhaan mo ng drinks?
Hati tayo, bali.
Hati, pero less than 50% na lang.
Dali, di pa malamig. Sayang lang.
Sabi pa ni Mama, dapat daw nagdala tayo ng alak para daw uminom tayo.
Tala tayo ng folding bed. Para dito.
Bakit naman folding bed? Di ganun ka mahangin, pero ang lamig. Masama pa ata na medyo manipis yun na suot kong damit. Time check guys, it's already 10 p.m. Matulog na tayo. Buong araw na kaming gising at bukas tayo natin gumising ng maaga para siguro makapag sunrise tayo sa may beach if dito man magra-rise ang sun. We'll see you tomorrow. There's no water. It's just there. Ano yan? 29 ka na.
23 lang oh.
Guys, I was wrong. So it's already like past 5 a.m. and medyo may liwanag na. Pero hindi pala kita dito yung sunrise. Such a nice view though.
Within the sessions, that would also work. It's good.
Transition
Instructional
pa.
material.
May dalawang powder.
So you have it always to the
We are now out again. Dito na kami papunta sa pool and sa beach to take some more pictures. Pero we have to swim na kasi mamaya nilipat na kami, magliligpit na kami para mag-check out. We gotta go, sis. I also changed my camera. We're now using Action 5 Pro. Kasi baka masira pa ng wala sa oras yung pocket rin natin. This is the difference. So we're now here. She's done with her class or whatever. Or is she? Medyo mainit na guys. Pero ang sarap mag-swimming. Ang lamig ng tubig. Pero mabilis siya lumalim. Okay lang. Ang saya. Pero di ko binasa yung buhok ko kasi it's so hassle like that. Also nice, right? Hindi pala super nakaka-conscious pag ganito kalaki yung camera. I think babalik ako sa'yo. Anyways, we're gonna go!
Ang dami mong red spots, ha?
Nangangati na
Hindi, habang naka-full lang ako nasa pool.
Airproof naman to, di ba, Jala?
Parang ano lang yun.
You lie down, you lie down.
Hindi yan waterproof.
Oh, hindi kami lulu. Sige, lie down, lie down. Put down your hands. Put down your hands.
Don't move your feet!
It's okay. After this, we will go to the beach again.
I can create a tail, you keep moving. Don't move! Mari, you know why we're putting we're gonna take it.
Ay, tingnan mo.
Why are there little toes in the sand? Stop moving your feet.
You're like a mermaid.
Mari! Drew, sabihan mo si Mari dito kayo sa stage maglaro.
Sa? Can you feed me, please?
Take me to the place. Never found a love like this. Where? Oh, there's people.
Yeah, they're boats.
They're boating. So, how do you like the ocean? Is it good?
Yep.
Do you want to come back?
No.
No, you don't want to come back na here?
I want to stay here. It's so cool.
You wanna stay here? Next time we're gonna go to another beach, okay? Show you off! Tonight I wanna show you off! What you got? Oh, it's really deep na. Let's go back. Ready? It's really deep. Kuya can't swim.
This is my mom and my brother
My brother.
and my brother. Naglalansiya lang kami ngayon, tapos kasikaso na rin. At uuwi pa.
What would you know, okay?
With Bikini.
Nakakain mo lang, nakaiga.
Lalo, nakamay.
Need some help, Sheriff?
We're going na. almost 12 p.m. So, mag-check out na kami. At papunta na rin yung driver. So, we'll see you there. Here na kami sa car. Pick up lang din sa amin. We're gonna go na. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy 27th. Hindi 25th.